If you're only running sponsored product ads, you're missing out on a powerful tool that can take your brand's visibility to the next level. Sponsored brand campaigns are Amazon's way of showcasing your brand and products at the very top of search results. They do not just drive sales, they help you build brand recognition and trust with shoppers. In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a sponsored brand campaign step by step, the different ad formats you can use, and how to optimize them for maximum conversions. Let's dive in. Let's understand the basics first. What are the brand ads? Sponsored brand ads are banner style ads that appear at the top of search results and on product detail pages. Unlike sponsored product ads, which focus only on the single product, sponsored brand ads allow you to showcase multiple products at once, helping you boost brand awareness, trust, and overall sales. There are three main types of sponsored brand ads: product collection ads, store spotlight ads, and video ads. Let's cover all one by one. Product collection ads to showcase multiple products. These allow you to feature up to 3 products in the single ad. This ad directs traffic to a custom landing page or your Amazon store. These are best for promoting bestsellers or complementary products together. For example, if you sell stainless steel water bottles, you can feature a 32-ounce insulated water bottle, a 20-ounce travel water bottle, and a matching bottle cleaning brush. Then the store spotlight ads to drive traffic to your Amazon store. These ads highlight different product categories within your Amazon store, best for established brand with a well-organized store. Shoppers who click will browse your entire brand's selection. For example, if you have an Amazon store for fitness gear, your ad can feature hydration bottles, workout accessories, and gym bags. The last type is sponsored brand video ads. These are high engagement ads. Videos plays automatically in search results, grabbing attention instantly. These are best for highlighting product features, comparisons, or solving customers' pain point. The videos must be 6 to 45 seconds long and focus on the product within the very first second. For example, a quick demo of how your water bottle keeps drink cold for 24 hours. Sponsored brand video ads have some of the highest engagement rates on Amazon if you can start testing them. Now that you know the different types of sponsored brand ads, let's go step by step to create your first sponsored brand campaigns. For that, let's quickly jump into my campaign manager. Okay, now I am in my campaign manager, and as usual we will be going into create campaigns here. Once you are in, you can firstly see where the sponsored brand ads can show. For example, something like this on the brand videos ad format, so this is a video ad. Then something like this in which we can show the ads, essence only, that we covered already, like 3 essence are showing here. And then you can also see this is a store spotlight ad in which we can direct traffic to the stores. Then moving into here, this again is a product collection ad, but this is a mobile version. Now let's quickly jump into creating a sponsored brand ad. The interface is pretty similar to how we did the sponsored display and sponsored product ads. We will be setting up the campaign name. Again, I have a video already recorded on this, like the best practices to name your campaigns. You can watch that from the link below in the description. Now select the campaign name, add the campaign to your relevant portfolio, select a start and end date. So for example, if you want to start your campaign from tomorrow, select 22nd of the February, allocate a budget, for example start with $50 for example, and then you can scale. Now in this sponsored brand campaigns, you can set your budgets for the daily or lifetime. So for the lifetime, you will need to add a end date. For example, let's select 29th of the August, just a random, and then lifetime budget, I do not want to spend more than 1500 on this campaign. So let's select this, but most probably we will be going into daily. So let's select 50 again, getting back to the basics. Now what is your goal with the campaign? So do you want to drive page visits or grow brand impression shares? So again, the cost structure would be different for both. If you want to drive page visits, that most probably 95% we will be doing that. Then we will be paying per click. However, if you want to grow impression shares, then Amazon will be charging for 1000 viewable impressions as we already seen in the sponsored display. So it is a similar thing. Let's go with drive page visits only. Select an ad group name, same covered in the last video of like the previous video of the naming convention. Now here are the 3 ad formats that we discussed earlier. Let's cover each one by one. So for the product collection, what you have to do is select where you want to land your traffic. For example, you can land it to your storefront. You can select a specific page. For example, for this brand we only have homepage, so it is just showing homepage, so we will be selecting homepage. Or alternatively, you can build up a new landing page by selecting few of the products. For example, if I select 3 or more products, this and this one, and I see which preview your landing page, and then you can see the landing page here. So it will be showing some products like this. But let's, in the most cases, we want to land the audience on the storefront. Now moving forward, this is how you can select this. Now store spotlight, again in this you do not have to select anything, just select again the brand store and then select the sub pages. The reason why it is not showing this one is because we do not have the 3 sub pages on our storefront. So it must have 4 or more pages, each with 1 or more unique products, to use this store spotlight. Now the third and very popular and highly converting ad is video ad, in which you will be selecting this video ad, and then landing page. In this case we will be going with product detail page because we want to market only 1 video per product ad, and we want the traffic to go on the product detail page directly. Select similarly for the sponsor product, select which products you want to market. Then here is the cool part, you can also control the cost. Aim to keep cost per click near or below a desired value. So no, we do not want to do this, because this way Amazon will be deciding what should be the bid for all the targets we will be targeting. But normally we want ourselves to decide what is the bid we want to pay Amazon. Let's close this one out. Again, in the targeting section we have 2 options: product and category targeting, and then the keyword targeting. So you can run your ads in both. It is very basic, same as the sponsored product campaigns. Let's go to keyword targeting. Select what are the keywords you want your ads to run on. Let's just select the exact only. Let's remove these 2. Okay, cargo pants for men. Let's target this. Let's target first 5 keywords, or you can come up with your own list. Normally these video ads are a bit expensive, as I have noticed in this category. These are a bit expensive as compared to the sponsored product and sponsored display ads, but obviously more converting as well. So let's go with the same bids as suggested, or I can also lower this one to 1.01. Okay, let's save it, and then you can do the same for the rest. Let's skip the negative keyword targeting for now. Select the ad group name, ad name. So this is different from ad. This is the video ad name. So let's select video test 1, and then here you will be selecting the video. So add the video from whatever you have downloaded video, and see video guidelines, and this is the video guidelines you must reach. So, and you can also see that this is the video specs that are needed for this Amazon ad. If any of these is not met, then you cannot really run your ad on Amazon. Okay, for this purpose, once you are done with all these things, click on submit for review and your ads would be live. So you can just choose from 3 targeting types, go with the whatever landing page you want, and then hit that submit for review. Amazon usually take 24 hours to review, and then they will launch your ads. And once your campaign is live, you will need to monitor and optimize it for better results. Review your ad performance every 7 days. Amazon needs time to gather data before making big changes, and that is our golden rule up till now. So that is how you set up and optimize sponsored brand campaigns to grow your brand presence and drive more sales. Now it is challenge time. This week, go into your Amazon Ads console and set up a sponsored brand campaign. Pick a format, product collection, store spotlight, or video ads. If you have video, I will suggest go with video ads, it would be fun. And track your results as well. And do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell, because next week we are diving into all about negative keywords, how negations work, how they save your ad budget, and how to use them to improve your Amazon PPC performance. Stay focused, keep pushing forward, and I will see you in the next video.